Ladies and gentlemen, today we dive into a powerful journey of transformation inspired by Dr. Joe Dispenza. The title might sound provocative: How to Brainwash Yourself for Success and Destroy Negative Thoughts. But the truth is, this is about reclaiming control over your mind to create a life of abundance, success, and happiness. Our thoughts and emotions are deeply interconnected, and understanding their relationship is the foundation for transforming our mental and emotional states. Dr. Joe Dispenza often emphasizes that every thought we think generates a chemical reaction in our brain, which in turn produces a corresponding emotional response. These emotions then fuel the continuation of those same thoughts, creating a self-reinforcing cycle that shapes our perception of reality and governs how we feel, act, and ultimately live. To truly change our lives, we must first understand how this cycle operates and how to break free from negative patterns. When we think a thought, our brain releases neurotransmitters, chemical messengers that influence the way we feel. For instance, when you think a happy thought, such as recalling a joyful memory, your brain releases chemicals like dopamine or serotonin, which make you feel good. Conversely, when you dwell on a negative thought, such as a fear of failure or a past mistake, your brain releases stress hormones like cortisol. These stress hormones activate your body's fight or flight response, leaving you feeling anxious, tense, or overwhelmed. Over time, if we consistently think the same thoughts, whether positive or negative, we strengthen the neural pathways associated with those thoughts. Think of it like walking through a field. The more you walk along the same path, the more defined and easy to follow that path becomes. In the brain, this is known as neuroplasticity, the ability of the brain to rewire itself based on repeated thoughts and experiences. If you constantly think negative thoughts, your brain becomes wired to expect negativity, and those thought patterns become automatic. This is why people often feel stuck in their emotional states or habits. They've conditioned their brains to operate in a specific way. The emotions generated by our thoughts play a crucial role in this cycle. Emotions are not just reactions. They are records of past experiences. When we experience an event, the brain captures the details and associates them with the emotions we felt at the time. For example, if you had an embarrassing moment in public, your brain might link that memory to feelings of shame or insecurity. Each time you think about that event, you relive those emotions, reinforcing the neural pathways tied to that memory. This is why certain triggers, like here, visualization is one of the most powerful tools available to help you create the future you desire. It is the process of intentionally imagining your goals and dreams as though they have already come true. By using the power of your mind to focus on what you want, rather than what you fear or lack, you activate your brain's potential to turn those visions into reality. Dr. Joe Dispenza emphasizes that visualization is not merely daydreaming. It is a focused mental practice that combines intention, emotion, and belief to rewire your brain for success and attract the circumstances needed to achieve your goals. The science behind visualization is rooted in how the brain works. Your brain does not differentiate between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. When you visualize something with clarity and detail, your brain activates the same neural pathways as it would if you were physically experiencing it. For instance, if you vividly imagine giving a confident speech, your brain fires neurons as if you were already on stage, speaking with poise. This process strengthens the neural connections associated with confidence and public speaking, making you more likely to perform well when the opportunity arises. Visualization also influences the subconscious mind, which governs much of our behavior and decision-making. By consistently visualizing your desired future, you train your subconscious to align with your goals. This alignment affects your thoughts, feelings, and actions, guiding you toward choices that support your vision. For example, if you visualize yourself as a successful entrepreneur, your subconscious begins to look for opportunities, resources, and ideas that match that identity. Over time, your external reality begins to mirror the internal picture you've created. To use visualization effectively, it's important to approach it with intention and clarity. Start by identifying a specific goal or outcome you want to achieve. This could be anything from landing your dream job to improving your health or cultivating deeper relationships. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to create a detailed mental image. For example, instead of visualizing being successful, imagine yourself in a particular scenario, perhaps sitting in your new office, signing an important deal, or celebrating a milestone with your team. Once you have a clear vision, engage all your senses to make it as vivid as possible. Imagine not only what you see, but also what you hear, smell, taste, and feel in that moment. If your goal is to run a marathon, visualize yourself crossing the finish line, hearing the cheers of the crowd, feeling the sweat on your skin, and experiencing the pride and exhilaration of accomplishment. Engaging multiple senses strengthens the mental image and creates a more powerful emotional connection to your goal. Emotion is a crucial component of effective visualization. It's not enough to simply imagine your desired future. You must also feel the emotions associated with achieving it. Emotions gratitude is one of the most powerful ways to amplify positive energy and transform your life. It's a practice that has the ability to shift your mindset, increase your overall well-being, and align you with the flow of abundance. Dr. Joe Dispenza and many other personal development experts emphasize the importance of gratitude as a tool for emotional and spiritual growth. Gratitude is not just a simple acknowledgement of the good things in your life. It is a conscious, intentional choice to focus on the positive aspects of your current circumstances. By practicing gratitude regularly, you can reprogram your brain, elevate your emotional state, and create a powerful energy field that attracts more of what you desire. At its core, gratitude is a mindset that allows you to appreciate the present moment, regardless of external circumstances. It's easy to focus on what's missing, what went wrong, or the challenges ahead. But when you consciously choose to focus on what's going well, even in the smallest of ways, you shift your energy and change your perception of the world. Dr. Dispenza teaches that the brain doesn't distinguish between what is real and what is vividly imagined. This means that by cultivating a feeling of gratitude, you can tap into the positive emotions associated with abundance, joy, and contentment, even if you don't have everything you desire in the physical realm yet. This shift in focus helps you begin to align your thoughts with the energy of what you want to manifest. One of the most powerful aspects of gratitude is its ability to raise your vibration. Everything in the universe is made up of energy, and our thoughts, emotions, and intentions emit vibrations that interact with the energy around us. When you focus on gratitude, you are raising your vibration to a higher frequency, one that is in alignment with the positive energy of the universe. Studies have shown that gratitude has an immediate effect on the brain, activating areas associated with happiness, satisfaction, and reward. This creates a positive feedback loop, as the more you practice gratitude, the more your brain becomes wired to look for things to appreciate. The emotional benefits of focusing on gratitude are profound. Gratitude helps counterbalance negative emotions such as fear, anger, resentment, and sadness. These emotions are often the result of focusing on what we don't have or what we have lost, but when we turn our attention to the things we are grateful for, we create space for more positive feelings to emerge. This is why gratitude is often described as a natural antidote to stress and anxiety. When you shift your focus from what you lack to what you have, you instantly feel lighter and more empowered. The practice of gratitude also has tangible physical benefits. Research has shown that regularly practicing gratitude can lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, reduce inflammation in the body, improve heart health, and even boost the immune system. These health benefits are a direct result of the emotional and mental shift that occurs when you focus on the positive aspects of life. Gratitude helps to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for relaxation and healing. When your body is in a state of relaxation, it can function at its optimal level, reducing the impact of stress on your health. To effectively amplify positive energy through gratitude, it's important to make it a daily practice. One of the simplest ways to do this is by starting or ending your day with a gratitude practice. In the morning, before you even get out of bed, take a few moments to reflect on the things you're grateful for. These could be big things like your family, your health, or your career, or smaller things like a good cup of coffee or a sunny day. Acknowledging gratitude in the morning sets a positive tone for the rest of